Lecture 5885. Embrace everyone who comes to you. Master, thank you. You have taught us not to block people from coming to us, but I'm not clear on how close we should let them approach. Please give me some guidance on this. So how close has this person come? Now let's try to understand this. You must not block anyone from coming to you, and likewise, you must not hold back anyone who wants to leave. This is the law of nature. But sometimes you may reject or try to block them. How? Each person has their own way of rejecting. The people who come to you have been sent by nature, and how you welcome them depends solely on the quality of your energy. The truth is that whoever needs to reach you will arrive anyway. For example, if someone comes to you behaving in a certain way and you refuse to welcome them, soon you will be presented with a task to solve in your life. And when that task comes to you, you'll face difficulties if you had rejected the person without even trying to understand why you met them. Difficulties will also come when you refuse to listen to people who criticize or insult you. When nature allows you to meet someone, this means you are assigned a task. That's how the law of nature works. Nature, with its benevolence, creates opportunities for you. Not accepting them is to reject this gift. By doing this, you will encounter difficulties. The coming and going of people is a natural thing, so welcome those who come. However, some may be just passing by. Associate with people you have a good relationship with, and as for the difficult ones, just limit yourself to welcoming them for now. Whatever comes to you, accept it. People, money, situations, everything. Avoid rejecting anything. Otherwise, you will end up facing unpleasant situations. I'm not telling you to embrace everyone without conditions. I'm just saying not to hinder what comes. Let things happen to you. And whatever they tell you, listen. Then behave as you wish. Try this. Each acquaintance helped you to find the best possible way for you to grow. If you study diligently, you will be able to properly handle any environment or person that comes to you. Why? Because you will have studied sincerely. Nature offers you time to study and then puts you to the test through encounters with people or situations. If you do not study earnestly, if you only listen superficially and think you have understood everything, you will not be able to truly handle them. Studying means sincerely listening to Jungbub lectures and realizing their great value. This is truly studying. Even just by listening, you can study. Don't try to study forcefully, but welcome what comes to you. This is studying. Learning the truth does not depend on your extreme study efforts, but on the words of a master who explains to you what leads you to understand the truth. Just by listening, you can increase the quality of your energy, fill the gaps of knowledge, and even improve your character. This enhances the quality of your energy as well as your capacity to understand. This is the teaching of truth. After fully accepting what comes to you, handle the situation based on your abilities. This is what I mean. You may also decide to go against nature's principles, but please be aware that if you do so, you will undoubtedly encounter many difficulties. Do you understand?